Welcome to 80s and 90s Monday. Are you ready to test your brain? Heads up, there might be a ghost fact hiding in here. Stay sharp. In the 1990s, what type of cleaning station became more common in public restrooms as awareness of hygiene increased? That's right, hand sanitizer dispenser. In the late 20th century, studies on bonobos like Kanzi focused on their ability to learn and use what form of communication? Correct. Sign language. What major 1990s event involving the search for extraterrestrial life directly benefited from advancements in extremophile research by demonstrating life's resilience in harsh environments? Precisely, the Mars rock ALH84001 controversy, which naturally occurring chemical compound widely used as a food preservative since the late 19th century and heavily debated for potential links to hyperactivity in children in the 1970s and 1980s, is often found in processed foods and beverages. That's right, benzoates. What is the term for the age-related loss of muscle mass? A concern for humans and also observed in many domesticated animals and became a popular topic in fitness in the 1980s. Precisely, sarcopenia. Which of these concepts, popularized in the 1990s, describes the loss of biodiversity and the simplification of ecosystems due to human activities? That's right, biodiversity crisis. What international treaty, ratified in the 1980s, played a crucial role in protecting many whale populations and indirectly preserving their song cultures? Correct, IWC moratorium on commercial whaling. During the 1990s, the breakup of which country led to significant refugee flows and internal displacement due to ethnic conflicts? Correct, Yugoslavia. Which relatively recent conservation success story involved a species brought back from the brink of extinction through captive breeding programs, starting in the 1980s naive. Reintroduction to the wild? Correct, California condor. Which medical advancement, becoming widely accessible in the 1990s, allowed expectant parents to view images of their developing fetus in utero, often for keepsake purposes? That's right, 3D ultrasound. Think you spotted a ghost fact? Tell us which one. Tomorrow, classic TV,